Bunong yalam ke NPP ubadeiru Menteri Rangba akajala ukarat ke sangma ulong ba Jinglong ka Sarkar India ban Menteri kam ka Pynsniew Shirong ne ka uniform civil code kan Pynsniew dur ya ka Jinglong Kawei Hapdeng bun ki Jaitbynriew habakaran menta ka lai phaudarik jeleu arja phaulai ulong ba Jingdon bun ki Jaitbynriew ka de ka Jingklan jonggari India bat hangni ka riti dostor ka de ka basim jat nakakami ka bamla ban penkala ka Jinglong ka Pynsniew ka long katkum ka Jinglong bun Jaitbynriew hagari
of a draft if it comes out. According to the National People's Party, I'm talking from a party point of view as of now, it goes against the actual idea of India itself. India is a diverse nation, and the diversity is what is our strength. Of course, we don't know what will happen in the sense that what kind of bill will come out if it does come out. So without seeing the actual content of a draft, if it comes out, it will be difficult to go into details. But as I said, from a basic concept point of view, as I said, we are a matrilineal society, for example, and that is what our strength has been, and that is what our culture has been. Now, that cannot be changed for us, and definitely that's something that, as a political party, we realize that the entire Northeast, for the matter of fact, has got a unique culture and unique ways of our society, and hence we would want that to remain, and we would not want that to be touched. So therefore, we will have to see how the bill, if it comes out, it will be, and the actual language in the bill. But as a concept in its own, as I said, it's something that does not go with the entire idea of India being, as I said, a diverse nation, and diversity being our strength and our identity, and hence a uniform civil code will go against that idea, is what the National People's Party feels.